Hi, my name is Ray Pacia, and I've been the AIM attorney in Rhode Island for more than 25 years. I've been practicing law for more than 30 years, and I concentrate in personal injury law with a large emphasis in motorcycle accidents. I've been privileged to serve as the past president of the Rhode Island Trial Lawyers and the Rhode Island Association for Justice, and I've lectured and published extensively in the area of personal injury law. Now, in Rhode Island, most of the motorcycle laws are very similar to the laws relative to motor vehicles. You need not wear a helmet if you're operating a motorcycle, but if you are a passenger, you must have a helmet approved. And to operate a motorcycle, you must take a motorcycle safety course and pass a motorcycle skills test. Now, if you are involved in an accident, or if a family or member or a friend is involved in an accident, I would ask you to call one of the AIM attorneys, and in Rhode Island you'll be directed to me. All personal injury claims really need three legs to stand on. The first leg is liability, the second leg is damages, and the third leg is insurance, and I'm going to talk to you now briefly about each leg. In Rhode Island, we have what's called pure comparative negligence. So even if you are 80 or 90% at fault, you can still collect 20% or 10% of your damages. Many people think that if they're primarily at fault, they have no case. That's not true in Rhode Island. Sometimes in motorcycle accidents, injuries are very severe, and even if you recover just a small amount, it's still a substantial amount of money. If you come to me because of a crash, immediately I will hire my team of seasoned accident reconstructionists and private investigators so that we can make sure that this first leg that you have stands on the most solid ground as possible. The second aspect of your case is damages. And here we're talking about not just property damage to your motorcycle, because if I recover money for your motorcycle, I will take no fee and you'll get every penny to get your bike back on the road. But in personal injury, we work on a contingency fee, which means we get a percentage of the recovery. You don't have to front me any money up front. I invest my time, I invest my money for expert witnesses, and your damages are going to be primarily three types. There's your medical bills, there's your pain and suffering, and there's your lost wages. And by the way, I have a background in economics. That was my undergraduate degree, so I'm very familiar and very skilled in determining loss of earning capacity claims and working with experts. Additionally, I have had a lot of experience in dealing with complex medical issues, right on through medical malpractice cases and the like. And I will make sure that you recover every penny for all your harms and losses, whether it's disfigurement, past, present, and future, impairment, loss of earning capacity, and so forth. The third leg that your case needs to stand on is insurance. Under Rhode Island law, all motor vehicle operators must have $25,000 liability insurance and nothing else. All the other coverages are elective. So it's up to you to make sure that you're fully covered, that you ride protected. For example, because of the difficult economic times, many people out there are driving without insurance. Indeed, I would estimate that in Rhode Island, maybe 10 or 15% of the people that are driving around don't even have insurance. They may have had it when they registered their vehicle, but they forgot to pay the premiums, and now they're driving around uninsured. So you need uninsured motorist coverage. That means if some irresponsible uninsured driver hits you, you've bought the insurance he should have had so that you're protected. Just like if you had health insurance, you've bought Blue Cross or United Health so that you get your medical bills paid. Well, here, with the uninsured motorist coverage, you've bought insurance that the other person should have had. Now, liability insurance, to be clear, is when someone brings a claim against you and you're liable, you won't have to pay out of your pocket, your insurance company will pay them. But we're concerned about having you protected. So you need to have not only liability insurance, but as much uninsured motorist coverage as you can have, as you can purchase, as you can afford. And in Rhode Island, we also have what's called underinsured motorist coverage. So if the person who harms you or your family doesn't have enough insurance, namely he's underinsured, then you have that excess insurance that you've bought so that you can recover above and beyond what his minimum insurance can't provide you with. Now, if you are involved in a motorcycle crash, remember, your AIM attorneys work in a nationwide network. We come to conferences, we go to attorney meetings. As a member of the Rhode Island Motorcycle Association with 25 years experience, I've been a distinguished friend of REMA. All the clubs belong to REMA. I'm available at any time, day or night. Call me, 1-800-ON-A-BIKE for a free consultation. Ride free, ride safe. Good luck.